Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I want to talk about the Windows Copilot feature that I don't like. Now I have been using ChatGPT for over a year now, and I have recently started using Windows Copilot since it is now integrated with GPT-4 and it's readily available in the Windows 11. Now the tasks that I used to do in ChatGPT were actually to correct grammar in the documents that I used to make and all in the day-to-day office activities. And for the same things I then started using Windows Copilot. But when I started using Windows Copilot, I found one thing to be really annoying, and that's the thing that I want to show to you guys now. So when you open the Microsoft Windows Copilot over here, and for example, I have a text over here that I want to make grammatical corrections to. Now this is the text that I asked Microsoft Copilot to make corrections to, which it did. Now I will copy this thing. Now one thing that you see that there isn't any option of readily copying the text, but in contrast to the ChatGPT has the option of copying the text to the clipboard, which is a very convenient method to have. But here only thumbs up, thumbs down and flag or report message option is there, so there isn't any option to copy the text. So the thing that you have to do is you have to manually copy this text, which I did. First of all, you have to select it and you have to click on copy. Now after copying it, when I put this text in the Microsoft Word, now you can see the problem over here. Now the first line, you can see that rehabilitation. Now it has separated reha and habilitation separately. Reha is in the first line, habilitation in the second line, which means that it has messed up the formatting of the text. Now you have to click on keep source formatting to make it to make the corrections, but still there are mistakes. As you can see, the column is changed. So here the third thing that you have to do is you have to keep text only in order to make the corrections. Now this is the annoyance that I feel, that if I am copying the text, I need it to be correct in every sense. Obviously it won't be 100%, but the words should not be messed up. This is the reason that I did not like Microsoft Copilot while copying text. It is okay that Microsoft is working a lot in order to make this thing work pretty well, and I have seen that it has actually improved the last time I used it back in February of 2024. Now I have started using it again because it has an integration with GPT-4, which gives it an advantage over ChatGPT, because ChatGPT you have to buy actually in order to use the GPT-4 features. Now this is the only thing that I hate about Copilot, and I wish that and I hope and wish that Microsoft will eventually fix it in future updates. If they give a dedicated clipboard button over there, like if you click on that, it's going to copy the text to the clipboard. That would be very convenient for day-to-day office activities and day-to-day activities. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. As always, peace out.